Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Devonna Nicole. Thank you for joining me today. Today I am unboxing my BoxyCharm mystery box. We have the Radiant Skin mystery bundle and we have the Glow Goals mystery bundle. And they both cost $16.99. This is my first time ordering these mystery bundles from BoxyCharm, and I saw some of the other people's on YouTube's unboxings of some of these boxes. I took a picture for the thumbnail with this, but what I actually got was this. This don't look that good to take a thumbnail with, by the way. So this is what I received for the Glow mystery bundles, the Radiant Skin and the Glow Skin mystery bundle. So we're just going to get started on this. It's not much in here. This should go pretty quick for you guys. So it came very well packed. Very well packed. And with the thing I don't like about the mystery bundle, how they throw everything in here, is that I don't know which one goes on which. So it's a mystery to me what product is supposed to be a part of which bundle. So that's annoying. So I'm going to just pull everything out. And I got a total of 6 products. So I'm assuming for the mystery bundle, maybe they did 3 products in each bundle, because it was only $16.99. So that wasn't a lot. So I wasn't like expecting a lot. I'm going to guess what goes where, and that's all I can do. So the first bundle we had, of course, was called the first bundle we had was called the Radiant Skin Mystery Bundle, and then the second one was called the Glow Goals Mystery Bundle. This is the glow up one. So I got a satin primer by Illamasqua. I've tried Illamasqua's. I have a regular primer for them, but not exactly this one. I think I have another, like a hydrogel one. So this is what they sent. This looks like a full-size product to me. It's 1 fluid ounces. This is how it comes. And basically, glow boldly with a natural lightweight primer that lights up a room like no other. Satin Primer's unique liquid luminosity creates a hyper real finish to produce a brilliant glowing effect on your complexion without underglare. Okay, so I've never tried this. This will be good. I like to try different primers. So that's product number 1. Then we have them Give Them La La Beauty. Not sure what this is. Oh, it's a hydro gloss. So what color is this? This is She's Expensive. Oh, I like this one already. She's Expensive, boo. Yes. So this is the color. So if any of you guys ever tried this, please let me know if you liked it. It's a pinky color here. I'm gonna see if I can pop it open. And it's a really nice color. So let me do a swatch. So this is how the color is coming out. I think this is a really nice color to blend out. Put a little lip liner on, some gloss on with it, and I think that'll be really nice. That looks really pretty to me, a nice pinky color. And the next product that we're going to do is a NARS product. Love NARS. So this is a blush. I always love getting blushes because I feel like in these subscription boxes, they send a lot of stuff, but I don't always get a lot of blush. I get a lot of mascara and eyeliner, so I always love when I get a blush. So I hope this is like a good color I can use. And what's the name of this blush? This is a full-size product. This one is called Gatney, I guess. Gatney? I don't know. Don't get me to start lying. So this is a pinky. I can get away with wearing pinks. Let's see if this one shows up on me at all. Now this is a pretty light pinky, but I think I can still work with this, so I'm not really disappointed. So let's just take a gander. So that's how it comes out on my finger, and let's see what it comes out on my back of my hand. I don't think that's too bad. I can work with that. It'll give like a nice little light hint of color on me. so it won't be too overwhelming. It'll just be like a light color. I think that'll be pretty good, but it is pretty light, so I would have to go on the heavy side with putting this on to kind of build it up to make it really show up. But I think it'll be better on like foundation. The back of my hand is probably not the best example, but when you got a full face on and you have the blush, I feel like the foundation kind of makes it stand out just a tad bit more because there's a base to it. So that's the 3 products that I think are from the glow up section. Now let's go over to the Radiant Skin section over here. So we have the Volution Neroli Complete Cream. I'm not familiar with Volution, so this will be my first product for them. And this says, this is a full size too. It looks like a good, like a moisturizer. And this is how it comes. And basically, it says, we exist to make clean beauty with you, for you rather. And what, I don't know, I'm trying to see what this does. Okay. What if I could wear a nurturing anti-age cream without getting breakouts? Oh, I'm starting to like the way this sounds. Performance. Minimize the appearance of fine line and wrinkles. Improves the appearance of skin texture and blemishes. Sounds good. Hydrates and balances oiliness and dry patches. Smooths the look of readiness and stress. So basically you just apply this to your face and neck twice daily. But that's pretty good. So a moisturizer that helps with reducing the look of your wrinkles and lines, and then it also improves skin texture and blemishes. Now that you don't hear too much, so I really want to try this one out. I can't wait to actually put this in rotation to really see if it does what it says. But that seems pretty dope. And again, it's just a moisturizer. Looks like that. Looks like all the rest of the moisturizers in the jar. But they said don't get too excited there. But then the next product we have a ESW Beauty. This is a pink drink moisturizing raw juice mask. I don't think I've used this brand before, but I do like face masks for self-care Sunday, where I always do my little spa days on those days. But basically this is supposed to transform dry and rough complexions with this sheet mask featuring watermelon, rose water, grapefruit extracts. The ingredients work together to create a formula that hydrates and nourishes your skin. And the essence is packed with vitamin E, vitamin C, which provide intense moisturization and a healthy glow. Okay. That seems cool. I can't wait to try that one. And our final product for this mystery bundle is going to be the Julep Radiant Boucher Radiance. It looks like it's a serum. Is it a serum? Oh, it's a face oil. Okay. So this is a full-size product. Rose hemp seed face oil. It prevents and repairs the appearances of fine lines and hyperpigmentation. Okay. That's right up my alley. Let me show you guys what it looks like outside of the box. And here we have it. Dun, dun, dun. So that's our last product. So guys, what did you think about this mystery bundle? I mean, I think they really put some good products in here. Like Julep, I've heard of them. I've never used any of their products. I'm sure this costs some money. It seems pretty good. Then we have the NARS blush here, the palette. I say that was a good one. The Illamasqua products, I know they're pretty, decently priced as well, just like NARS. The Give Them La La Beauty, never heard of this brand, so I have no idea what this is valued at. This mask, I would say maybe $6. The Julep face oil could be like a $20-something product or more. And then I would say the Volution cream, face cream here probably has a decent value to it too. So to me, right off the gate, I say this was a good value. Not as good as the Ipsy ones, but I still think I got some great products between the two bundles. I was thinking it was going to be more, but maybe they said it was 3. I don't know. But anywho, that's my mystery bundle, guys. If you've used some of these products, let me know how they worked out for you guys. If you are new to my channel, I do post weekly. I do lots of subscription unboxings. That is my thing. If you love skincare and beauty like I do, please feel free to check in on my channel every week and find out what I got in my bag or my box. But for now, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and it cheered you up a bit to see some makeup and some skincare. So please check back with me and check out some of my other unboxings. Until next time, see you guys.